Hey, what's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Jay back here again with another reaction video. Today we got another suggested to me by the bro. I literally just read your name, I forgot. Danny F. And I remember your icon, so you must have went by another name and I just forgot. But anyways, good looking Brody. I appreciate you heavy, no cap. And yeah, he told me to check out the Crook dial tone. Now you know I'm rocking with the Crook heavy because you guys put me on. I ain't gonna cap. And honestly, I did not search for him in a minute, so this is refreshing. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but yeah, you know the vibes, man. I'm rocking with the Crook. So let's check this out, man. I'm from Brooklyn, New York, bro, and I've been putting all my niggas onto the Crook. When they ask, oh, you reacting to Canada artists? I'm like, the Crook, Biz Look, Live. Heads, bro, fuck you. Bro. I just can't think right now. But yeah, I'm smacked. Like, you know the vibe, man. You watch this shit, ringing like a dial tone. Watch out for these hoes that be a downfall. Tryna drive me out, turn me around, y'all. Wanna see me fall because I stand tall. Now when they call, all they get is a dial tone. All I need my glizzy and my trap phone. Y'all niggas think they ain't got no backbone. Yeah, name ringing like a dial tone. Niggas mad cause they see how I get it, then flip it. Talking bad till we see them in public, they switch it. No subliminals, niggas ain't being specific. Enough criminals, all of my niggas are with it. All of my niggas go get it. Fuck the opposition, all of them niggas can get it. Tapping in they rap sweat. All of them niggas pathetic. Cross me in the past bet. All of these niggas regret it. Don't like it, better respect it. Know how we moving. AMGs when we cruising. Swagger oozing. Diamonds got these bitches choosing. Don't be stupid. Check the score, you know we bar. Get it drop and let it ring like a ringing like a downtown. Watch out for these hoes that be a downfall. Tryna tell me y'all can't be around, y'all. Wanna see me fall because I stand tall. Now when they call, all they get is a dial tone. All I need my glizzy and my trap phone. Y'all niggas snakes, they ain't got no backbone. Ain't got no backbone. Yeah, name ringing like a dial tone. You already know my name ringing bells in these streets. Jay2lit. Nigga, if you ain't know about him, you should know about him, man. Nah, I'm with you. But yeah. Shout out to Crook. Real talk. Make sure you guys go check out the bro. He got bars after bars, man. There's no Hemi. There's mad shit. Right now I can't think of that because I'm smacking. It's like space. But all you gotta do is search the Crook, man. D-A Crook. He puts in that work, man. Ain't no Crooklyn. I'm from Brooklyn. He ain't even from Brooklyn. But the Crook, my nigga, he definitely does this, man. I don't know why I'm too smacked right now. But yo, if you watching this is a treat because I wasn't gonna record tonight. But you know what? I did it. And I'm proud of myself. I ain't gonna lie, cause I've been in a funk lately. I don't know if y'all true fans, you watch my channel, you're gonna know why I'm saying this because I've been in a funk lately. I record and update. I upload daily. So it's weird that I've been missing mad days. I know. Don't worry, bro. I wish I could explain more, but whatever, man. It's just real life shit. Cut that. Real life ish. Not even that. YouTube do not play. Just cut the cuss word out, bro. But shout out once again the bro Danny F for the suggestion and support. I appreciate you heavy. Hey, if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm out.